Put a napkin around the bottom half.
Made you calm down, huh?
Whoa, that was good, huh?
Oh my goodness. Do it again. Do you like it, baby?
That's funny.
Give me some more. Because her eyes get real big like, she makes a noise like, get a napkin and put it around it so your fingers don't.
Well, I have it in my
Hey,
nail.
Olivia, I know you're gonna watch this for real days.
Anna. Anna, back up.
Now you know what to give her when she gets cranky at night.
That could be a good punishment.
You good
It's
for
not a
now?
punishment.
Would be to me.
Not to her because it makes her mouth feel better.
You little fist. Did you make you cold? Huh?
Here's the rest. Look.
The tongue's coming out. I want more. I want more.
My tongue's numb. What
No, I
happened?
want more. The tongue's coming out. I want more. Do it again, Lizzie. Look.
Quick, quick, I'm gonna try to put my thumb in my mouth.
How? It's like food.
Thank you, Lizzie.
Give you a lemon next. Want some
Yeah.
more?
Pickle.
The pot's got pickled onions for you. He does.
We can put water in a bottle.
She almost opened her mouth for it.
Icy whitey.